I'm Corin Doolan and my degree is music journalism. My placement here is at Calon FM, which is a community radio station in Wrexham, and my placement title is trainee journalist. The advice I would give to students in the future doing a work-based learning placement is to definitely look at doing something that you're going to enjoy, because uni is difficult sometimes, and work-based learning is really an opportunity to have a go and have a see at things that you might want to do in the future. So definitely to do something you enjoy, and even if you think that the placement is out of reach, just get in touch with people, send them an email, because if you don't ask, you don't get really.
My name is Halle. I'm on the acting course in University of Chester at level 5. I'm doing my placement currently at Storyhouse in Chester, and my role is Associate Stage Manager or Assistant Stage Manager.
My name is Laura Tuckey. I'm a second year BA Geography student, and I'm doing my placement at Storyhouse as Environmental Planning Assistant.
So I'm Matthew Booth. I'm studying Geography with Natural Hazard Management at the University of Chester, and I'm currently conducting a work-based learning placement at Storyhouse.
For students in the future, I definitely advise them to put their all into their placement and take each day as it comes, but put all the energies into it, because they don't realise how much it can help you and communicate in the future for a new career.
My advice to students who are taking on a work-based learning placement is to go into it with an open mind. There's lots of different options to pick from, so pick one that you think is going to be most interesting and just go for it, because you don't know what it's going to be like until you get there, and there's so many unexpected things that will happen, but it's all going to be really valuable experience. Even if you don't necessarily want to go in that career directly afterwards, all of it is really valuable for employment skills after university.
So yeah, I'd recommend similar things. I'd definitely encourage people to jump right into their placement and see it as an opportunity to decide whether they'd want to pursue that career path or find something else. It's always something for them to develop their skills for future careers and get to know what they would like personally to have their career to be in the future.